say that's just the resurrection. I can't hold back what I feel inside, but it's something that you should inside. Anything you want, you got to worry about myself. Never about you should.